Hello students, we are in chapter number 5, data handling in exercise 5.2. Today we have taken question number 4. Let us read the question. The adjoining pie chart gives the mark score in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540, answer the following questions. In which subject, here the first question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Dear student, this is the given pie chart. Here you can see only the central angles are given. For Hindi, the central angle is 70 degree. For English, central angle is 55 degree. For Mathematics, central angle is 90 degree. But here we have to find in which subject did the student score 105 marks. Alright. But student, if we find the marks for each subject, it will be very lengthy sum. So in easier way, we can do this sum. Here you see the total marks was 540. How the student obtained 540? 540 is the sum of the marks obtained in all these subjects. Similarly, sum of all this central angle is how much? 360 degree. That is 540 marks corresponds to this 360 degree. So let us take that procedure. So we can write that for 540 marks, the central angle is 360 degree. Here total mark is 540 and the total central angle is 360 degree. That statement we have used. By unitary method we should find out. Therefore, for what is the mark given? 105 marks. So for 105 marks, the central angle is equal to. Now what is the unitary method? I think all of you know it. This 360 degree we write here, this part here into this part, always we write here. This is the unitary method, you know it. Then this is always divided. Okay, in this way let us find the corresponding central angle. Now let us simplify. Let us cancel. At first let us cancel this 0 0, then we cancel by 9 4 9 6 then 2, this is 3 3 5. So it is 70 degree. The central angle is 70 degree. Now we have to observe the pie chart where the central angle is 70 degree. Student, you can see the central angle is 70 degree is here. So which is the corresponding subject? Hindi. So let us write the statement. Therefore, the student scored 105 marks in which subject? Hindi. Alright, now let us do the second part of it. Dear students, let us read the second part of it. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Here, this is mathematics and this is Hindi. Okay, now let us find what is the difference of this central angle. Difference in central angle. How much it is? 90 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 20 degree. Now 20 degree means how much mark? Let us find it. For angle 360 degree, this is actually the central angle. For angle 360 degree, the mark, what is the corresponding mark? It is 540. Okay. Now for angle, the angle is 20 degree. What is the corresponding mark? You know the unitary method. This one always we write here in the numerator into this part 20 degree and this 360 will come here in the denominator. We can cancel it now. This is 20, this is 80, then this is 30. So question was, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? So the mark is equal to 30 marks. Okay, it means the student obtained 30 marks more in mathematics than in Hindi. Alright, now let us do the third part of it. So the student, the third part of the question is, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. So the first two subjects are social science and mathematics. This is social science and mathematics. Dear students, here we did not find the marks obtained in each subject, but we have to find it. We have to compare it, whether the sum of the marks here is more than the sum of the marks in science and Hindi. How we find? Just by this central angle. Okay, we shall add this, then we shall add this to central angle. Then we compare. So the sum of central angle for social science and maths. In short, we have written maths. This is 90 degree and this 65 degree. Their sum is 155 degree. Then what is that? Then in science and Hindi, sum of central angle. Actually, we should write central angles for science and Hindi. Science, the central angle is 80 degree and Hindi it is 70 degree. Their sum is 150 degree. Now dear students, we can easily compare these two angles. Obviously this 155 degree is more than 150 degree. So this statement, what we have to write? Yes, the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. So let us write down. Therefore, the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. All right, students, thus we have finished the sum. Thank you, students.